In this demonstration, we'll be replacing the belts on the right side of the machine, so we will start by removing the right side panel. Start by locating and removing the drip tray. Next, locate the 4 screws which secure the side panel to the frame of the machine. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 4 screws and set aside, as you will need these when you reattach the side panel. Once the screws are removed, the side panel should come right off. Now that the panel is removed, you should have clear access to the drive belts, which are located on the back side of the motor towards the rear of the machine. As you can see in the video, the motor is secured to a bracket, and that bracket is bolted down on 2 shock absorbers. Using a 1/2 inch wrench on the nuts and a 1/2 inch socket wrench on the bolt heads, loosen the nuts to release the tension on the belts as demonstrated in the video. With much less tension on the belts, you can now remove the belts from the drive wheel. To do so, slowly rotate the belt in an upward motion. As you are rotating the belt on the drive wheel, apply outward tension to the belt, and as you do so, it will slowly begin to de-align with the drive wheel track and come right off. Once the belt has come off of the track, repeat this process to remove the second belt if needed. Next, grab the new belt that is to be applied to the machine and wrap it around the motor pulley. Grab the belt and slowly begin rotating the drive wheel while wrapping the belt around it, and the belt should slide right onto the track of the drive wheel. Do this carefully, as you don't want to get your fingers caught in the pinch point between the drive wheel and the belt. Once your belts are reattached, you can now re-torque the bolts, securing the motor bracket to the frame of the machine. Next, reapply the side panel to the machine using the 4 Phillips head screws we removed earlier. Once the panel is reattached, insert the drip tray and turn your machine on to test that it is working correctly.